All right, welcome to Kilowatt Hour Levy channel today. So I am going to be temporarily fixing the center running light for my 2022 Kia EV6. So yesterday I accidentally backed the door. Actually, I ran into the door while the tailgate was open, the garage door. So I accidentally run into it. I was in a hurry, trying to do some stuff, and I forgot. So, and the repair cost is going to cost, actually not the repair, the replacement part is going to cost almost $1,100 to $1,200, and from the dealer. And that would take about 7 days special order. So I decided, I was lucky enough to find one on eBay. And this is not a sponsored eBay channel episode, but just I got it off eBay. And I got at a great deal as well. So the listed price was for $450 plus $50 shipping. After I saved the item, I got a notification like an hour later that there was a discount offer of $50. So I was able to buy it at $400 plus $50 shipping at a total of $450 after tax. I believe I was able to pay like $481 and some change. I'll put that on the screen. So yeah, so that's what I am going to do. So this is, as I said, this is a temporary fix for me to be able to drive my car around. Okay, this might help somebody that might have the same situation. If you're able to fix it a little bit, put some of the broken glasses by using a Gorilla Glue and what do they call it, a tinted film, or any of the wrap of vinyl film that you can use to seal it. That's what I'm going to be using. So right now I actually bought this tinted film for different projects, for a window tinted project, but it came in handy, and I will be using that to cover the broken part of the center daylight running light. So I will be using that. So before I start, if this is your first time viewing this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also hit the like button. So the like button will allow YouTube to recommend my channel to viewers like you. And also the notification bell will notify you every time I post a new video. So if this is your first time, please subscribe. And also thank you to all my subscribers, to all my subscribers that started with me, and my other subscribers as well that have been coming along. So thank you for viewing my video, and please continue to hit the like button. Okay, I really appreciate your support and you viewing my channel. If you want any accessories for your EV6 or for your EV, check out some of my Amazon associate affiliate link, eBay, and also I believe other one. Check them out. Some of them might not be affiliate. It's just I post them there because they are good price, and they work pretty much. All the stuff that I got for my car, they work so far. If not, I will take it out. I don't leave it on my page. So but if you need any accessory for your EV6 or any of your other vehicle, check out the link, and that should be able to help you out. So I guess that's all I have to say for now. So let me go ahead and deep dive into this and start the process. All right, welcome back. So the glue has hardened, and I don't know if you can see, but they kind of fit in. Not completely, a little bit still stuck out because it was moving, but it is hardened. Just for the top, that is still didn't completely, this part right here. So what I'm going to do is all right, so I'm going to try and clean some of this. So I am going to go ahead and remove the tape. I already cut the tinted film, and it has a glue behind it, so I'm just going to use it to cover the entire part of the broken glass. It is long, very, very long. All right, let me go get alcohol to wipe the area before I go ahead. All right, so I'm just gonna wait for it to dry, and I think the alcohol is drying out. And let's try it again. Let's see. I have to peel it off. I think on this side I already started peeling off. So I have to peel the film. All right, so I'm going to try and trim it a little bit so that it can fit, and I'll probably use a heat gun to try and see if that will fix the issue, that will seal it in. It kind of feels, you probably will feel some bubbles, but I think it should be fine. So let me go ahead and dry it first. The top was able to fit in on the glass without no issue. It's just that the bottom is kind of curved, so it's kind of hard to fit. So let's see if the heat gun is going to let it stick. And I'm thinking the reason why they're not sticking right now is because of the glue on top of it. So let me try the heat gun. It is hot. It is hot. All right. All right. It looks like everything stays there. There are some kind of bubbles, and that's probably as a result of not forming. If it is a straight, it would have probably fix it, but since it's not straight, so all those curved area had to fit in with the bubbles, so it kind of smoked the tail light, so there will be some different So let me go ahead and turn the car on and see. All right, not a big difference. Not a big difference. At least someone will definitely know something happened here with the tail light here. So, but it did a great. I did good with it. So let me see here. I step on the brake. Okay. Let me get something to step on the brake. Yeah, let me get some step on the brakes out. All right. So that's the brake light. Okay. And that's a brake light. So that's like a running light. Okay, it's actually a running light. So these are brake lights and brake light on the left, right, and center, top center. So, and the middle part right here, let's see if I can zoom back in. So this part right here is a running light. So that is actually a center running light, not a brake light. Let me try and see if I can try it again. So yeah, it doesn't, so there's a brake light at the top. Actually, it's inside the car, on the side. And this one is a running light, so it's not actually a brake light. All right, so let me know what you think about this. A little bit of a fix that I did on the car pending the time that I get the replacement part. So let me know what you think. If this is a good idea or it's a terrible idea. I mean, if you want to save on money, if you damage your center running light on your Kia EV6, pending, if you don't want to spend a lot of money on it or to fix it or go through the insurance, you can temporarily fix this right now, and it is functional. It won't get you pulled over, because if police see broken tail light, they might want to mess with you and stuff. So but it works fine, no issue. Yeah, so let me know what you think about this. Leave a comment, and whether it's a good or bad, let me know about that, or let everybody, other viewers know. I mean, if I want to save money right now without even buying a replacement part, I mean, I can drive this around without no issue. So I'm going to be driving for the next few days. The part, however, has been shipped, and I should get that in the next, I should get that by Thursday. So I should be able to get that by Thursday. Let me see here. Thursday, I believe the 28th. What's today? Today's 20. No, not 28. 20. 25 or 26, something like that. So but yeah, let me know what you think. So if this is your first time viewing this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button. The like button will allow YouTube to recommend my channels to viewers like you to view my channel. and also hit the notification bell. The notification bell will notify you every time that I post a new video. So if this is your first time viewing this channel, please subscribe, okay? I appreciate it. And all my subscribers as well, thank you for viewing my videos, for liking my videos, and checking out all my videos that I've posted. So I will be posting more videos. So as I said, this is just temporary fix till I get a replacement part. It is on its way, and yeah, it looks kind of okay. I can take the car out today because I haven't had a chance to take it out since I broke the car. I mean the running daylight running light, because that's what it is. It's not actually a brake light. So but we're about to go out, so, and I should be able to get the replacement part on Thursday. But this is something that you can do to fix your car pending till you can get a replacement part, or because if you take this to the dealership, they might keep your car for days or weeks. So, and you have to go around. This is something that you can do to take yourself around, okay? So what I used was a Gorilla Glue. I forgot to mention that. So I used a Gorilla Glue to glue all the broken pieces that broke off the car. I tried to put in as much as I can, but there's a piece that was broken that I couldn't figure out how to put it like, and I was too frustrated to put it tired, and I was tired too to put that together. So, but it was put well together enough for me to decide to cover the car all the way up. So, and I also got the tinted film for the sealant. So that's what it is on top of it right now. So if you want to get that, I'll leave the link in the description for you to get that on the shop website that I got it from. I will be trying that installation on another car for a tinted windshield. So, but that will be another video. So anyway, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. See you in another video, okay? Bye-bye. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. See you in another video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye-bye.